Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fill a text box with color in Canva using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, start a new design by tapping plus or open an existing project where you want to add a colored text. Now tap on Go to Editor. Once you are there, tap the text at the bottom menu. Now select Add Heading, add a subheading or add a little box of body text. To place a text box on your design, tap the text box you just added. A toolbar will appear at the bottom with different editing options like font, size, color and more. Tap the color option. You will see options for text color and highlight or background color. Choose background color or fill to add colors behind the text. Select the color you want. From here, select the color, then tap on change or the text box will immediately be filled with that color. You can try different colors to see what looks best. You can also adjust the transparency if you want a lighter background. Resize the text box if needed so all the text fits nicely inside the colored area. And that's all. Now you know how to fill a text box with color in Canva on phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.